Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Airtable Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, navigate to App Marketplace and click on it. And in App Marketplace, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install. From here, click Install and allow an install. The next thing you'd want to do is to refresh your page. Once your page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, you have a series of important tabs. The first tab is the Documentation tab, which contains information about the application. Up next is the Tutorials tab, which has resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next is the Setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To set up the application, start by copying the redirect URL and click on Start Setup. Next, head to your Airtable account online and click on your profile. In your profile, click on Accounts. From there, scroll down and click on Go to Developers Hub. In the Developers Hub, click on Oath and Integrations, and then Register and Oath. From there, give it a name and paste your redirect URL. Next, click on Register Integration. Now, fill the necessary fields, copy the client ID, head back to your account, paste it where required. Next, click on Generate Client Secret. Copy the client secret, head back to your account, and paste it where required. Next, click on Complete Setup. And as you can see, the application has been set up successfully. Up next is the Support tab, where you can book calls and create tickets with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally is the Changelog tab, where you can receive notifications each time a change is made in the application. And to do that, just toggle this on, fill in your email address, and click on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.